Hello, welcome back to Website How To. In this video, it's going to be an add-on to the PHP Referral System that I created. I had a comment on that video and a user asked how can they show the amount of people they have referred. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to edit the code to show the amount of people you have referred using the referral link. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll go to the website and we'll log in with the details we created in the previous video, which is test user. We'll log into the account. There's nothing in here that says how many people you have referred or anything like that. So we're going to place it just here so you can see how many people have actually registered using your referral link. So what we want to do is we want to edit the code, and I've already fired this up. So we're in the file called loggedin.php and we'll place a little bit of code here. You have referred users, a couple of line breaks. We'll put a little bit of PHP code in here. We'll call that total, as in the total amount they've referred. Save to website. Refresh this page. It says you have referred users, but we need a number to go between these two words, and we need to get the total. So if we look at the database, I'm logged in as test user, and we look back at the database, test user is here, this is their user. They used the referral link, and in my previous video we signed up with someone called Bob, and Bob used test user's referral link. As you can see here, there's a row in there. At the moment, test user has one referrer, so we want that to show on the website itself. So we need to edit that code. Further up the page, we need to put in some connection settings because we're going to query the database. So I need to get that bit of connection code, which if you've seen in my previous videos, you'll see it's one line. It's an include of the con.php file. So place that in place just there. Then we take down, I don't know why I do another semicolon in there. Then we put a little bit of code in here, which I have some codes. This is just a notepad file that I keep some codes in, which is very handy because it's all important stuff. So we'll place a bit of code in here. We'll rename this variable to total because that's the amount, that's what you're going to show here. So this query, basically we're going to select all from, so we'll change this to say users, and then we put a where clause, refer equals, and then we'll put in username. So we're basically querying a database to look in the users table where refer would equal test user. So we need to put that in as the username variable and click save to website and refresh this page. There you go, it says you have referred one users. So if we can make that stand out a little bit better, I'll put in a little bold tag around it like that and click in refresh. There you go, you have referred one user. So we'll grab test user's referrer code like this, copy it and paste it. We'll log out and we'll hit back. So we're back at the main page, but we'll paste the referrer code in the top, and then the register form is here with test users referrer link already pre-filled. So all I have to do is register. So we'll create a new username and we'll call this person Pete, and his password can be called Pete. So we've registered the account, and we've registered that. I'll refresh the database so you can see that Pete's been registered. There you go, Pete's been registered, but he was referred using test users refer link. So if I log back in with test users details, so we go back to the home page and we log back in, the test user, and we log back in. There you go. You can see it says you have referred 2 users. So that's how the script works. It's fairly straightforward. If you like my content, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. I can make a more advanced version of this script where it can count how many clicks the referrer link has had and not necessarily how many sign-ups. So you could have how many clicks and then how many sign-ups. But if you'd like that script, please comment below and I may create it. But that's everything you need to know how to create, how to count how many referrers for the PHP referral system. If you like this video again, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please comment in the box below. Thanks for watching.